how to make money on Upwork as an affiliate marketing guru. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account. So here, I'm going to click on continue with email. Then click on login. And then you proceed to creating your profile. So here, you fill the usual information, date of birth, and so on. But first, let's go back to start from the first steps. This is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back until we find the first step, and this is the first step. So here, let's click on get started to proceed to creating our profile. And here we answer these questions. We have 3 answers to choose from. Have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits your situation, and then click on next. Then you do the same with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose one of these answers, then next. After that, for this particular question, make sure to choose all of these options. They are all helpful. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. You either import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in your desktop in a PDF file, or you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be more than 5 minutes. So let's go with the third option. Start a new profile, and here enter your skill, which is affiliate marketing guru. Then next, to add your previous work experience. So here click on plus, and this is an example: software engineer, Microsoft, London, and the other information. And when you're done with your previous work experience, you do the same with your education history. You can fill the school that you studied in, your degree, field of study, and so on. And after that, you proceed to fill in the languages that you can speak and write in. So here, English is a must in this platform. As you can see, all profiles include this. And here you can select your level in the language. So for me, I believe that my English is conversational. And here you can add other languages if you can speak them. So I added 2 more: Arabic, which is my native language, and French, which is the language I've studied in school. So here, I'm going to select my level in these languages, basic, and then click on next to add your skills. So they've already suggested some skills for us. As you can see, affiliate marketing, freelance marketing, and marketing. And the maximum is 15 skills. So there is enough room for a lot of skills. Let's choose the suggested ones. And then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text, and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter "I'm an affiliate marketing guru. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile," and you'll get a very decent bio. You'll just need to add some personal information about you and change a little bit about the profile, and you can copy and paste it in this field. For me, I'm going just to take Marty's bio and enter it in here, because going to ChatGPT will make the video longer. So I'm going to settle for this. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service in this list, or you can choose the suggested one, which is digital marketing. So I'm going to choose this one. Then click on next to set your rate. So here you can choose your hourly rate. Let's go with $20 per hour, and as you can see, please enter a value between $3 and 999. So you can't go over, you can't go to $1,000, and you can't go minus $3. So here let's go with $20, and then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you enter your date of birth and your address information, then you upload your photo. Show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And when you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve this profile of yours in order to attract more clients. So basically the idea is that we're going to look for our competitors, the people that are doing the same skill like ours, and we're going to find the highest earner amongst them, and we're going to spy on him, see how is he describing his skill in his profile, how much he gets paid per hour, and we're going to see if we can find something that we can implement to our profile in order to make or in order to attract more clients just like him. So here the first one we have in here is this one who earned more than $200,000. Let's see if we can find someone who's earned more than $800,000, and she gets paid $75 per hour, and she has 100% job success. So I think that's the highest earner in this category. I'm going to see the second page. 90 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand. Let's check the third one. 40. So the one with 800 grands is the one who is the highest earner in this category. So we're going to implement our strategy on her. And if you want to find work easily in the platform, go to find work in here, click on find work for your skills, and you will see by entering your skill in this search box, you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skills. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.